Welcome to day 27 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. Today we have a Captain America helmet and we're going to see how this print went. I'm a little bit under the weather, but we got to keep on going with these daily challenges for this channel in order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy. So let's see how it turned out. Alright, we ended up getting some new filament in. This one turned out really cool looking, unwearable, but still very detailed. Now with us almost being done with the challenge, make sure you all check out the previous videos on the channel. We have all the rest of the days. We've been really consistent. November is going to be looking a lot different than how this month looks. We can't wait to show you what that looks like. It won't be daily stuff, but we'll be getting some really cool content out there. And we also just started our TikTok page, and make sure you guys go check that out. That is also linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check back with us tomorrow.